Now let's see how actually we can create a catalog in a Databricks. So once you will open a Databricks, right, in the left side you can see we have a catalog option. You have to click on that. Once you will click on the catalog, right, by default you can see in a my organization, right, we have a workspace, and also you will be able to see system. So these are nothing but the this is a catalog only. So this is nothing but the these are the default catalog, you can see, right. So let's see how actually we can create our own catalog. So click on this, click on the create a catalog. Once you will click on the create a catalog, right, it will ask you to give the catalog name. So suppose I will give one for the development. So data dev, this is the catalog name I am giving. You can give any name. Type is standard, so we'll go with the standard one only, and use a default storage location. Click on the create. Once you will click on the create, right, you can see left side the data dev is created. Now if you want to configure the catalog, you want to manage the access and all, right, click on the configure catalog. Once you will click on the configure catalog, right, you will see this particular screen. From this particular screen you can manage all the access. You can see the first step like access. Specify the user group and the service principal that have privilege on this catalog. So you can manage this access. So by default this will be a this one, but if you select the all workspace have access, right, means suppose I have a different workspace, so from every workspace I will be able to see this particular catalog. So if you will select the all workspace have access, right, from every workspace they will be able to see this particular catalog. So let me select this. Now after that the privilege, right, so we have select all account users. So all account user will have this access. Now if you want to grant more privileges, click here. So you will see a multiple option, like you want to give access for the execute, select, create function, whatever you want user to give, you can manage the access from here itself. Or you want to give all privilege, you can give that. Or if you want to give external use schema, you can do that. You want to manage the access, you can manage from here. Like if you want to give only the create table access, so everything you can give from here. As of now I have given the all account user will have a access. Now click on the next. Now after that if you want to do a tagging, right, so suppose this is a dev related tagging, so you can do from here. Click on the save. Now you can see our catalog is successfully created. Left side you can see data dev, and under this you can see default and the information schema is there. And if you want to create a more table from here and more DB, you can do from here. So for all the development related activity, what actually we will do, we will use this catalog, we will try to create a table here. Similarly, if you want to create a more catalog, click here, click on the create a catalog, and you can follow the same step for the production also. So like this actually we can create a catalog. I hope you got the idea.